we will discuss about the link building techniques. Okay, so link building techniques. Remember, there is no specific method of building links to your website. Okay, Google is the leading person in the industry. Okay, and Google have revealed in their articles, in their support articles in the other platforms. Okay, so Google has revealed in several places that the types of link that is coming to your website and is going away from your website, okay, is very important, and based on which we make some decision. Okay, so in order to increase the number of links, the people inside the digital marketing industry, SEO industry, have come out, okay, with a decision or with an idea, okay, to build backlinks in different methods. Okay, now what happens, you will be using these techniques as an idea and try to build. Okay, one basic requirement is what we call. Okay, now there are different link building techniques. Remember, none of the link building techniques are endorsed by Google. Okay, none of the link building techniques are endorsed by Google. Okay, there are some ideas where we can go out and follow. Okay, and the link building techniques that is created and suggested in the market by the people who are expert in the industry is being used. Google has never said go and submit article to other websites so that you can increase your link building. Okay, go to forum and submit your article, go to document. What Google has said is create quality content. This is what Google has said in its own official documentation. Okay, right, create quality content, create quality content, quality and compelling content, quality and compelling shareable content. Okay, when I say quality, which means unique content, it is not being taken from anywhere. Quality compelling means like once people read this content, they should love the content like anything. Quality, compelling, okay, content, and a shareable content, a content that can be shared to other people. Okay, once you create this, okay, then it may go viral, so people will like it and they will share it. You are getting a point? Once you create the content that people like the most, they will share the content to other people. You don't need to go out and promote it. Okay, now automatically when people see a content in YouTube, Facebook, Twitter and other platform, when they liked it, they want to show it to other people, so they also show it to other people. And once it is being shared to a lots of time, then the search engines will get an attention that, oh, this content is really doing good. Now that will take the content to different people so that they can also understand. Okay, so this is the only technique that Google says: create a quality, compelling and shareable content, and people will like it and things will automatically happen. But not everybody is willing to do so. Everybody wants to have immediate result. Now what they have done, okay, instead of telling people to share the content or to view the content, what people started doing, they started trying to, they started creating backlinks without doing any of these activities. Some people used to create a quality content. If they don't receive a visitor, they will go out and manually try to do that. Okay, it's something like this: you take an egg, okay, that is laid by a hen. Okay, and for almost 35 to 40 days, the hen has to sit on it for hatching it. Then the chicken will break the shell and it will come outside. So this is the natural process. Now what happens? This will happen naturally. Now if you go out and break the egg immediately, then there will be no chicken inside. Okay, there will be only egg yolk inside. There will be no chicken. So creating the backlinks by yourself is almost like breaking your own egg for finding a chicken. No, you should undergo a natural process. This is what Google expects. But what people are trying to do, they are trying to use a incubator to hatch the eggs, which means like there is an artificial technique where they can put all these eggs inside the incubator, where they will create an environment which is similar to the hatching practice, and they will hatch those eggs and there will be chickens coming out. But the problem with incubator is the chicken that came out of the incubator process will not lay eggs anymore, right? So that can be used for meat or something like that. Okay, what I'm trying to say is, like this, people have identified, and people who are in the SEO industry have practiced techniques like this, and they said these are all some method that somebody can use to increase the links for your website. You're getting a point? And those techniques are few are. One is basically called article submission, which means you write article and submit to other website who accept the free articles for them. Okay. The next one is the forum submission, which means go and create an account with the online forums whichever we have, participate and connect with people and share your link, and you will complete the forum submission process. Document submission. Okay, so there are different types of document available. Okay, if you see, text document is available. Whatever we have right now is a text document. Okay, image document can be created, video document can be created, image, text, video. We can also create the infograph. Okay, infographic content. Okay, so like this you can create a different content. You can create a PDF content. Okay, we can create a text, TXT based content, whatever it may be. So different format you can create and distribute. Okay, there are website called social bookmarking website, which is basically used to save different links inside your platform so that you will get maximum backlinks. Okay, so social bookmarking a website on a social media platform. Okay, so there is something called a directory listing or a business listing, which means directory means like collection of a particular business or service model. So directory. Okay, like you have a telephone directory or yellow pages, right? The same way in internet also we have a directory of website which is categorized in this level. Okay, and web 2.0 submission. Okay, so web 2.0 means the content of the website is not created by the website owner. Instead, the content of the website is created by the website visitor. The person who visit the website will create the content. Okay, for example, YouTube, you will create an account with YouTube, but only you will have to upload the videos, not Google. Okay, at the same time, okay, you take a website like Wikipedia, Quora, where you will create account and you will update the content, not the Wikipedia or Quora. Okay, these content are updated by the visitor who is creating account with them. Okay, and I think the social bookmarking website is repeating. So social bookmarking websites, Q&A, question and answer websites, where you can go and participate in the other question and answer websites, and you can start building the links by answering other people's question. Okay, creating videos and submitting the video to other places like YouTube. Okay, uh, Dailymotion. Okay, Vimeo, on different platforms. Okay, so creating the video submission and doing it. Okay, and blog commenting. Okay, visiting other people's blog or website and placing a comment inside. Okay, that is one option. And email outreach program. Okay, reaching out to other people, sending them an email to link back to your website. So email outreach program. Okay, so out of all these program whichever we have, few effective methods of building backlinks, what we can follow right now is email outreach program. This is one option. Okay, and article submission, or we even call this one as there is one more term for this. Okay, guest posting. Okay, or guest posting. Article submission means like you create a content and submit to any website, so people they accept. Guest posting means like you go ahead and ask a permission to a blogger or a website owner and ask them a permission. Hey, can I submit my article on your website so that I will be getting a backlink and you will be getting a free content. So there is a mutual agreement. Okay. So by following these practices on a consistent basis, it is possible to increase the number of links for your website. But remember, only the eggs which are hatched naturally will have a natural effect and it will be healthy. If you are hatching those eggs using a incubator, remember you cannot get a quality out of it. So creating a quality content that is loved by people and easily shared is the best technique to increase the links for your website and perform the off pages your technique. Okay, trying to influence the website's page rank, link juice, domain authority by manually doing all these activities may help you, but not in the long run. At some point in time, if you do it wrong, it may hurt yourself. Okay, off page SEO activities are like a knife with the two ends, it can hurt you in any direction. Okay, you keep writing a quality content that loved by people, the links will automatically be given for you. Okay, this is the natural practices. In the upcoming sessions to come, we will be discussing about each and every link building technique separately. Okay, and I'll teach you which method you want to follow for your website or for your client's website. That is purely your decision. Okay, see you in the next session.